so far by videos. So here you can see I made a video about this Flipkart stickers. They're very beautiful. So we just combined all the stickers and made one big beautiful scenery. I know it's very beautiful. And yeah, so here we have the kids' bedroom of the stickers, which we will be showing later, and the master bedroom. We make decorations. We can take photos and decorations. I made those decorations to just make it look pretty. And here is the big TV, which my brother is watching now. And yeah, so guys, come here. So you might have recognized this background. Can you tell me what it is? Yes. So this background I made many of my videos here I might make many of my videos here. So this is a very good background, the flowers and stuff. I really like these. So guys, this is our calendar. So and here we have more these stickers. I made many videos about these. And here we have a very good idol of Krishna. So we kept the Krishna here because here we have the other different gods. So this is the place where we do pujas and early morning pujas and stuff. That's why we kept the Krishna here. So right beside the puja area, we have this beautiful picture of Krishna. So you can see it is very beautiful. It is the same one as there, so we just got two by accident. And yeah, so we kept it here. I know it's really really beautiful because here there are gods and here there are gods. It matches, and I think it's just very nice. So right now, after this, we have the building. It's beautiful scenery. We have our kitchen. So after you can see this background, right? So behind this background, we have our fridge and some stuff on the fridge, and we have, after this beautiful scenery of Krishna, we have our kitchen. So right here there is a big fridge, well not a big fridge, a small fridge, and because we cannot even fill it up to this fridge, and why would we need a bigger fridge? So this is our fridge, and in the sink we have counters and everything. Oh yeah, and here we have a pantry. We don't use it like a pantry, we use it like a storage room. So this is the full kitchen area. We kept some wallpaper here to not get messy on the walls. So guys, here we have my bedroom. So this is not basically my bedroom, it's me and my brother's bedroom, which makes it the kids' bedroom. So here on the door I have some decorations I made, to say my name and my brother's name. Yeah. So and this is my full room, the kids' room. So when we were making this room, its colors and its decorations, I really used to love blue. So that's why I made my whole room blue. So as you can see, my wardrobe is blue, my walls are blue, my blanket is blue, even my curtains are blue. So at that time I really used to like blue, and now too I also love blue. So that's why I made my whole room blue like the sky. So yeah, as you remember, this background also I use it for many of my videos because it's just so cute with the stickers in the background and yeah. And guys, there is a surprise that nobody knows that's in my house. Look up in the sky. So because I made my whole room blue, we got the idea of keeping a sun. I don't know what happened, but I think this as a moon because in the sun, the stars, that's just not right. So I think this is as a moon, and around it all the stars. It's just so beautiful. I really like it. And so right here, this is our bed. I'm standing on it right now. So this is my brother's and my bed. I'm stepping on it like nobody cares. So here I have, this is my study table. I also have it blue because I really like blue at the time. And here, as you can see, it's a portrait of me. And when I was in America, they used to like give like stuffed animals to like make a story with them and write it in there. Yeah. So this story was about the if you give a pig a pancake. So that so this is a really great memory. So that's why I have it like in a newspaper decoration. I really like this. It's a very. Here guys, we have my brother's cupboard. So you can see here, this is a very cute picture of my brother, like when he was like so little. It's just so cute. And this is my brother's wardrobe. And after my brother's wardrobe, we have the dressing table. After the dressing table, we have my wardrobe with all my timetables. So let's see what's inside. So guys, this is my award. I got it on Indian Independence Day. So my school gave it to me for singing, first prize. So as you can see right here, Indian Independence Day celebrations, first prize for singing. So I'm really proud of this because I'm actually really good at singing. I never thought like that. And so this is another prize. So we got it in 2019. So it's a Seva Bharati, Run for a Girl Child. So this is a really great memory. And yeah, so we have so many pictures about this, guys. As you observed above my TV, there was a very memorial photo. So it's this. This is a very good memory of mine. Like I also made a video where like I showed all these like jewelries of Bharatanatyam. And yeah, so this is photo.